Hi everyone, it's Tereese. I'm back with another video. Um, Here to share another project for Gingerbread Christmas Collaboration 2020, hosted by Jamie, who's Poetspice here on YouTube. I'll have everybody or all the fabulous collaborators down below so you can go check them out. So, today, what to do for the collaboration. I am kind of like out of ideas without repeating. um, so I sat here and sat here and sat here and thought, okay, I want to do something different. I want to do something that may have been done before because I'm sure I'm not the only one that thinks this way. Um, I thought I wanted to do a December daily. And now you're probably going to say, Tereese, what is a December daily? Well, it is like a journal that you journal each day of December and you document memories each day. It could be, having pumpkin spice lattes or pumpkin donuts. We love to eat, well, maybe not so much for Christmas, but, during the fall we love to eat apple cider donuts. So maybe there's something that's very special that you want to remember, going on a trip, in the month of December or whatever you have planned. And you document every single day. Okay. So I tend to not do it because I've only started doing this couple years ago. And I always think it's a great idea. Oh my gosh, I always think it's a great idea. I'm going to do one. I was thinking about doing a binder version, but it's just too big. So I'm like, well, what can I do? I don't want to do a mini album, with cardboard and stuff. So I remember I had these are photo albums from the Dollar Tree, and I took the covers out because it's just a pocket. I'll show you. It's just a pocket that you can slip any paper in here. And it has 24 pages, so that's a lot of documenting. And it's a really good size. So here it is. I used the paper from this paper pad. It's an old paper pad. I think this is from a hot buy last year. So I've been seeing all the new paper pads. I think I really want to get some metallics. Well, I have some metallics, so why am I going to go out and buy more? Anyway, I'm using this paper pad. I've gone through many sheets already. If you know what to do with this sheet, let me know in the description box below because I never know what to use these for. I don't know if a lot of people could say you could put this on a box, you could put this, but why am I going to put it on a box? I don't know. So if you have any ideas for that type of 12 by 12 sheet of paper, please let me know because I never know what to do with them. Okay, so this is I think it's a 4 1/4. Oh, 4 3/4 by 6 1/2. 6 1/4. So it's a really good size book. And I put all the papers that I'm going to use in here. I trimmed it up, I cut them up and add them here. So I'm going to use this as a December daily. I'm going to add, there was a sheet in the paper pad that had all these elements, and I cut them, I sat here and I fussy cut them all out, so I have some ephemera pieces. you know, I can use ribbon, I can use, you know, whatever, and then inside I use these pockets that I got from Target. I have a ton of these now. I think I bought like 4 packs this year, and I bought many more other years, and I've given away a ton. So these pockets really do come in handy, especially for these kind of projects, because I can slip a journaling card here, write a little bit of what this book entails, and then I can just start adding photos. And you're saying, well, Tereese, you know, photo is going to take up majority of this. How are you going, you know, to journal? You know, well, I could. You can also decorate this as well as the paper inside. You know, maybe not too much because you're going to bulk it up. You know, so I am going to use my printer here, my sprocket, and it's upside down. That prints out these little pictures, and you can trim these down to add to your, you know, your album, because they do have, you know, layouts of, you can have four pictures on one, and this is, I don't know how big these are. This is 1 7/8 by 3. These are perfect size to add to these type of albums, and I have, you know, several pictures here already that I want to use in something soon. And it comes in, well, it didn't come in this, I bought this separately. But I could put this and this in my purse, and it is just so compact and so perfect, and a pen, and maybe, you know, I can add a little bit, I think I have some ephemera in the back here, you know, in another pocket, you know, and it's just really, I love this size, and maybe I will be more into using my printer and adding it to my album this year. But it's going to be an interesting year. I don't know how much we're going to have to do this year, because you really can't go to parties, and visiting family is kind of iffy right now. But I'm optimistic. I'm hoping that we'll be able to do all those things. Anyway, so this is my project for this week, is a compact December daily, and I just love how it turned out. So thanks everybody for watching. Again, I'll have everybody's info down below so we can all go check out. I'll have more information about my giveaway. I know I said I was going to give away something on the end of September, but we're extending it, so I'm thinking about having 2 winners at the ending of October. So stay tuned for that. I'll give more information about it in my next video. Okay, guys? Thanks everybody for watching. Have a great week, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.